Okay. All right, now you can go ahead after I get it looking at the right thing here. Okay, I'm ready for you.
Okay.
It's not really focusing, or else my eyes aren't focusing. You can talk if you want.
Okay, yeah. How's everyone's life going?
So this color,
Is
we think it's rose.
rosemary or something?
No, I think rose. Rosemary's something different.
Rose. Oh yeah, rosemary I think is a darker shade of pink.
And these are all tie-dye paints that we've mixed to colors we think are good.
Oh.
Keep it on the cotton, please.
Okay. Looks like grass.
Well, you got to remember it has to soak in, so your coverage on the back side is probably not the greatest, so we'll probably flip it. So don't use all the liquid on one side, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Just saying.
Yeah.
We were talking about the fact that yellow is the hardest color for the human eye to see.
Yeah.
So this is a nice bright yellow.
And I learned something that I did not know before. Dogs see in black and white, and I did not know that. I thought they just saw colors like darker. Like this dark purple that I'm using.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. I think that would look good. I don't know.
Should have had a t-shirt in reserve to put in the paint that's left over.
Yeah. I think I have a good white t-shirt. I don't know.
Try to keep it on the cotton.
Yes, I know.
That looks cool.
Yes.
All right.
I don't know if we should turn it over or not.
My suggestion would be on the second side to start with the dark colors, leaving lots of white space for the lighter colors to go in, okay?
Okay.
If you have a choice about how much light color there is.
I feel like I should try it over.
I feel like I should have put the gloves back on. Yeah?
Should have.
Yeah? I think so.
This looks like a unicorn mane.
Okay.
Only if it was brighter.
I gotta try to keep this centered here. Okay.
It's like painting, but dyeing colors. So, what is everyone gonna do for Halloween this year? I wonder what things we're gonna make with Halloween colors. That would be fun.
Yeah, I have some orange. I'm gonna make some pumpkins.
Ooh, That sounds cool.
There's that bright orange down there.
Ooh, yeah. I like that.
I have this orange here. I have sparkle orange.
Ooh.
And I have...
Nice. Like pumpkin
And I
orange.
I made an autumn leaf. I was going to make some autumn leaves.
Ooh. And
You keeping track which ones you've used?
yes.
Okay. This looks like an impressionist painting to me. It's cool looking.
Yeah. Trying to go for a checkered color. Checkered board. Keep on getting my lips stuck. Just messed up again.
No such thing as messing up.
Only a little
Just
accident.
Just a little side adventure.
Yeah.
All right. Last one. Last
Yes.
pass.
I'm just gonna go crazy with this one.
No, because it'll
I
darken everything else, so go
know.
easy.
Okay.
It'll turn it all dark blue and you won't see any of the other colors. So.
There we go. There.
All right.
That looks good, kind of.
Okay, now we just have to wrap it and let it sit for a while, and then we'll see the finished product. Stay tuned.